Friends, very warm welcome to the real-time broadcast of Machine Maker. We are live from GIFA 2023, the Bright World of Metals exhibition, Düsseldorf, and we are at THERMPROCESS, where Eastern Recuperators is exhibiting in Hall 9. And Eastern Recuperators is one of the very reputed company in the around the globe with more than 4,500 installations worldwide, and they are having products which helps the sustainability, energy saving. You know, their recuperators is very famous. This company was founded by RK Agrawal, and right now he's the chairman, and it is now led by the second generation entrepreneur Vikas Agarwal and his brothers, who is the managing director. We'll be talking to all these people, but to start with, we are having with us the general manager of Eastern Recuperators, Sri Lakra, Jayant M. Lakra. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hello.
It is wonderful to see Eastern Recuperators here, and it's a very nice stall you are having here. Can you just tell me about your participation at GIFA?
Eastern Recuperator is now 45 years plus industry. We are here since 1982, and we have supplied more than 4,500 equipment worldwide. So I will say we are second largest supplier of the recuperator all over the world, and we have our core values, like you see, we are having experience, more experience than anybody else. We are, we give a very reliable product, fast delivery. We commit our customer that within 3 months we can supply the equipment to them. And we are very sustainable. Whatever product we are making, quality-wise, it is almost same every time. Quality-wise, it's the best in the world. And design facilities, flexibility is like, within the smaller space, we can design in such a way that you get higher efficiency with the existing recuperator. So, you say we can go up to 40% of the fuel saving. Apart from that, 85% reutilization of the waste gas. And let me tell you, with 20 degrees centigrade increase in temperature of the combustion air, we save 1% of the gas. So if you calculate in that way, it's a huge money we are saving. So our aim is, future should be bright, and in this way, we are reducing the carbon imprint throughout the industry. That way, if you see, the world is, focusing on this carbon reduction. So we are aiming that also. Thank you.
Sir, you are having this recuperators. Basically, it converts the waste energy into, so you are helping not only to save the energy, and there is a lot of profit the companies, the steel manufacturers gets out of it. Yeah. So if you want to talk about a complete product profile of Eastern Group, Eastern Equipment, what are those?
We are basically producing recuperators, manufacturing and designing recuperators. We are into air coolers, where we can cool the flue gas which is going into the baghouse and the ESP in 4 seconds, from say around 1400 degree to 200 degrees centigrade in 4 seconds. That's enormous. So that no dust, no pollution goes up in the atmosphere.
So thank you very much for giving this information.
Thank you. Thank
now from here we will be taking you to meet Mr. Vikas Agarwal, who is the managing director of Eastern Equipment, and from there we will be talking to more of the team members of Eastern Recuperators today to bring our viewers what this company is making and how it is making the people in the steel manufacturing getting a lot of support, saving energy as well as earning more profits. Thank you, sir.
That is the requirement of the day. We have to save energy. Our energy should be free for all.
And you are in Germany right now. This energy crisis is something
energy crisis is going on. We never used to see power failure Earlier now we are seeing power failure in Germany. So it's there.
So it's a very challenging time.
Challenging time.
And India is having a big role. Eastern is having a big role.
Yeah, India is having a very big role, and we want to contribute to the world to save energy.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
So we are here with Vikas Agarwal. He is the managing director of Eastern Recuperators, and Eastern have came a very long way in these last 4 decades with 4,500 installations across the globe.
Yes.
So how was that journey possible in these times?
It was the innovations that we had, the luck of being in India, because we could have all sizes to look at. The R&D facilities that we could think of was really there, the support that we got from the customers, and being in India, our the kind of skills, both in terms of technology, the engineering as also the manufacturing that we got was at a very reasonable price and of the highest quality. So that really helped us to grow on sizes. Whenever we went around the world, right from Peru to, if I go up to Canada to, and on the other side even Japan now, the acceptance of the Indian technology and Indian machinery was something which has helped us over the years. So that got us into this 4,500 number. The other exercise that we got was we right now talk of the technology which is the highest recovery. Whatever we waste is what we bring it back. So with that, there is a very small saying that we do. When a jeweler's place, the dust is swept back into the shop, not outside the shop. So that is what we do. We sweep the energy that you are losing out back into that. Generally today in the world, the zeal for reducing fuel and more for reducing the carbon footprints or the emissions that we are doing, that is what has driven us right now from, let's say, like we are doing right now, commissioning as of today, commissioning a unit in Korea for Costco Steel. We are recovering back 85%. So that 85% gives me about 34% reduction in the fuel and 36% reduction in the carbon footprint, carbon emissions which are there. Similarly, at Score Metal in South Africa, we will be commissioning by the month of August a unit which will do 86% recovery, which will be among the highest in the world as of now. So the benefit of being in India, of the best of knowledge, best of skills, timely deliveries, good suppliers of materials generally made in India and also available from around the world, that is what has given us this opportunity to come to 4,500 plus being the highest on recovery efficiency. So that's what it was us here.
So that's very amazing to hear. But also you spoke about how now the Indian technologies are getting recognized across the globe. But if you see RK Agrawal sir, he is an expert in this particular field. He's working for over 50 years and he was in Germany before 50 years. So how you see from the founder's view over the last 50 years of journey of
It's been tough. When we started here, we have been coming here to the fair. This is the 5th time that we are doing it. People used to say Indian IT, computer engineers good, engineering not good. So that today when we look at this exercise, we are today with a 50 square meter store and among the best in the best of all. If you see, look around here, we are there among the biggies here and we are no small either. So that acceptance has come in today. The fact that we are Indians is accepted. That acceptance, especially in the last 15 to 20 years, is what has helped us come here. But the journey was tough. One engineer trying to bring this as a new technology. 40 years back, if you were talking to somebody saying, I'll save you fuel, it was like, okay, we'll still see about it. But today when we talk of, let us say we had a customer today from Brazil, he threw us a challenge. He said, 3 months is my payback period. There are 12 months in a year and you talk in terms of 6 to 7 years guarantee, a lifetime. We said not guarantee a lifetime. So when we did that, he said, okay, I'll give you 6 months of saving. Whatever you save is what you take in. We said, done sir, we'll do that, but make it 9 because I still have to make my engineers go there and why not make a profit at that point of time. So yes, and he agreed. He was shocked because then he later told me you could have asked a better price because my Italian competitor has given him a price which is 4 times the price that I quoted. So Indians are being accepted, and today the color of the skin or the origin does not matter. If you are delivering a good product, it can come from anywhere in the world, whether it be Japan, China, Korea, anywhere. It is the technology which counts, the deliverance which counts. Fortunately, India is also being recognized in that, and we are very, I would say, thankful to be a part of that same train.
Sir, I must again take 2 points out of this what you told. One was that last 15 years India's acceptance is there.
15 to 20 years.
15 to 20 years. But that credit I would like to give people like you for last 40-50 years are fighting for the Indian product. You given the results now that we are all getting, and plus there are a lot of other reasons where India is really coming up very well in the manufacturing sector. The other thing what you told was the acceptance and the the 4 times less money from the Italian. I think that is the advantage
It's
India
a
is
big
having.
advantage. It's a very, very big advantage.
And we are sharing it with our customers.
Our customers are really appreciating it. We said we know that yes, he'll be much more costly. So why do you sell us this even though it is a technology which nobody else is able to provide? He said, look, we are reasonable people. We want to make our customers also win with us and not unnecessarily charge money, which will not really, what we are earning here is a relationship, not just money, but the relationship which matters. So that is what we value more. As Indians, probably all of us are a bit more emotional or looking forward to that relationships that we build over time, which is what has given helped us come here. We had one of our very old customers who came in, German. 35 years back is when he had taken our first recuperator. He was really the first, and he came, congratulated, has written in some book somewhere, one of our visitor books, keep it up. So that's where we are.
Thank you very much for your insights, sir. And I believe your time is yet to come. Why? Because everyone is talking about SDGs, everyone is talking about sustainability, everyone is talking about how waste can be recycled or carbon footprint can be reduced, and the role Eastern will play in that in the mother industry is going to be huge. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you, sir.
Let me take our viewers to other part of your stall.
Please.
It's an amazing stall you have provided here, and I wish you all the very best, sir. Thank you. So we are here with Helmet Looks. He is from the Ebner Group, and the good thing is that Eastern worked with Ebner Group for a long time, and as he is here, I would like to just find out what you think about Eastern recuperators.
Yeah, we had been working with Eastern equipment for a long time, decades actually already. We had a good cooperation. We had realized big projects in India for the steel industry. So we have together very good references in India.
So I wish more success for Ebner and Eastern together. And what do you feel that this GIFA, which is happening after the pandemic, there is a lot of expectations from people. How do you think that this exhibition will change the foundry sector?
Yeah, we now see after all these last years, now the motivation is coming back. People are going again to fairs. We see this as a big opportunity to meet people. So this is definitely what we have all missed the last 2 years. And now, let's see. Yeah, and we are positive, and we hope that it will be a great show with interesting contacts and discussions.
Thank you, Mr. Lux, for your valuable time, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
So in this real-time broadcast, actually we are having the we are lucky to sit with Mr. RK Agrawal, who is the chairman of Eastern Recuperators, who is working with recuperators more than 50 years. He came first in 1973 in Germany, and proudly, after so many years, 50 years, he is now serving the world, recuperators. Sir, what is the change, what you have seen in the recuperator industry in the last 50 years?
Yes. Earlier, people were never bothering about the fuel cost and so. Very early stage, I am telling you, but as you know, the fuel cost changed like anything. So recuperator, earlier the Germans had problems, Germans had the technology, that's why they were using recuperators. But later on, everybody wants to have recuperator. Today, suppose because of the cost of fuel plays a very big role in the overall cost of any metal which is heated or so, or heat treatment or so. That is why the balance changed. That's why now anybody, the moment they know there is a thing called recuperator or anything that saves energy in this manner, they are going. And when they have seen that the technology of recuperator in terms of design, in terms of materials has also changed, so that the payback period is 1/4 or 1/10 of the life for which that recuperator will work. The payback period is very, very important. Me, I would say I am very much a businessman with very much caring for the dharma, for the manner in which we do the business. And I am happy to say, I am lucky to say that my children have also picked it up from me. This is what I would say. And another thing I want to say you specifically, right today only few hours I am here in this state fair, but I have come many times. There is a change in the whole world. The way people are spending money in making the stand and the type of people are coming. So the chairman of that Austrian company will come. Earlier the chairman was not coming. He was sending the general manager. So there is a change.
There is a big change in the industry, and it is very positive. And we are so happy and we are so privileged from Machine Maker that we were able to see you, because he is one among the world experts in recuperators, which we got the opportunity to talk to you, sir. Thank you very much for your time.
I can say humbly, yes, in the whole world perhaps we are making the largest number of recuperators, all kinds of types of recuperators, and our customers are also spread like that.
Thank you very much.
From the east to the west.
Thank you very much, and we wish you all the very best to take Eastern Recuperators to more with the new generation, with your new, the leadership.
Yes.
We wish you all the very best, sir.
Thank you very much.
So we have seen that how Eastern is helping a lot of companies to be sustainable in their operations, and also energy saving is very important today, and they are making a big impact through their different products, be it recuperators, preheaters, gas coolers. They are supporting a lot of industries. Right now we are having a delegation here. Hello, sir.
Hello. Hi.
Yeah. What's your name, sir?
My name is Mr Rajesh Kumar.
Yes. So you are from which company?
I am from Tata Steel.
Tata Steel. So all are from Tata Steel. Oh, it's amazing to have.
Tata Steel London office. I'm from the London office.
You are from the Tata Steel London office.
Actually, a procurement arm for Tata Steel. We are part of Tata Steel.
I will come to you. Then I would like to hear how Tatas are doing in London. Tatas are making India's name famous across the world. So, sir, you are here at Eastern Recuperators. So, how Eastern helps Tata in building a sustainable, operations?
I think in today's context, what Eastern India is doing is very relevant, because today, if you see globally, one of the biggest challenge in front of us is the carbon footprint, reduction in the carbon footprint, and wherein it's very important for us to ensure that the heat which is getting wasted during the process is not wasted. In fact, it is utilized properly. So to that extent, I think whatever Eastern India is here showcasing is very relevant to make this world greener, more greener place and a better place to live in. And it's very important for the next generation also.
Thank you very much for your views, and I would like to just find out from sir, what's your name? Mr. Kamal Desai, who works with Tata Sons in London, and they support Tata Steels from there. So what is it you do there in London?
So we have a twofold job. One is the procurement arm, which supports Tata Steel, Tata Motors and other group companies. And we're also a representative for the Tata Group in the UK.
In the UK. So basically, we have seen that Eastern as a company is an Indian company, but they are across the world, everywhere they go, they help companies in, getting the sustainability or saving energy, whatever waste energy is going, they capture it and making it. How you feel that these kind of products makes an impact?
See, I think now sustainability and green is becoming the buzzwords for every organization. So certainly this will make a big difference.
Thank you very much. Please have a great time at GIFA, and thanks for sharing your valuable time. All the best.
Thank you very much.
So friends, we are at Eastern Recuperators, and we are trying to bring you the real-time broadcast where we are trying to talk with the entire team of Eastern as well as with the visitors who are coming here and looking at the different innovations what Eastern Recuperators have exhibited here. Thanks for your time, and thanks for joining with us, and we wish you a great manufacturing ahead. Thank you.